Assalamualaikum student, I am Dr. Sidra and today my topic is on biomolecules. What is biomolecules? Biomolecules are the organic molecules that is produced by a living organism. Biomolecules act as a building block of life, perform important function in living organism. More than 25 naturally occurring chemical elements are found in biomolecules. Okay. Atomic numbers in biomolecules. Low atomic number, percentage of the total number of atoms are hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen and carbon. Together make up over 99% of the mass of most cells. Biomolecules of cells are two types: micromolecules biologically and macromolecules. More than 1000 daltons, example amino acids, sugar, nucleotides, lipids. Molecular weight less than 1000 dalton have polysaccharide, nucleic acid and proteins. Acid soluble fraction is cytoplasmic composition and acid insoluble fraction is micromolecules of cytoplasm plus cell organelles, and it have a covalent bonding between carbon and other element, permit the formation of a large number of compounds. Here the covalent bonding takes place, and this is example of the polar covalent bonds. All the biomolecules are the carbon compounds which account for more than one-half of the dry weight of the cells. Most biomolecules can be regarded as derivatives of hydrocarbons. The hydrogen atom may be replaced by a variety of functional groups of yield different families of organic compounds. Typical families of organic compounds: alcohol, amine, aldehyde and ketones, carboxylic acid. Alcohol has one or more hydroxylic group. Amine has an aldehyde or ketone, you can also say, is a carbonyl groups, and carboxylic acid carboxylic group. Major families of biomolecules in cells: sugar, fatty acid, amino acids and nucleotides. These are the this is the micromolecules. Many of the biomolecules found within the cells: micromolecules and polymers. Micromolecules: protein, carbohydrate, lipid, nucleic acid. Polymers are composed of small covalently linked monomeric subunits. Proteins: polymers of amino acid. It constitutes the largest fraction of cells. Nucleic acid, DNA and RNA, polymers of nucleotides. They store, transmit and translate genetic information. Here the nucleotides of X ribosome, deoxyribosomes chart. So it should be further discussed in the nucleotide and nucleoside lecture. Polysaccharides are the member of the carbohydrate and it is a non-sugar. Polymers of the simple sugar, two major functions: serve as energy yielding fluid, stores extracellular structural elements. Thank you.